Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to create a course with NotebookLM, how can you do? So if you are the one who work as a tutors or freelance teachers, you just want to create your course plan with NotebookLM, how can you do? So I will explain clearly today. So go ahead to your notebooklm.com first and try to create a new notebook here. And what you have to do is you need to upload your related lesson file here. So if you want to walk through this one, so if I choose this one to adjust upload, and I can ask her to create lesson outline. So I'm gonna ask AI for that, create lesson outline from this book. And I can ask her like this. So it will generate your lesson outline here, and you can also put other quiz and flashcard as well. Okay, so these are the available lesson outline for your book. And after getting also the detail, you can just go ahead to your right corners and try to create flashcards and quiz for your student. So if you want to create flashcard here, just create, you can also add prompts, outline, concept, and just trying to generate here. So it will create flashcards for your class. So you can put all these flashcards on your lesson as well. So if you are working on Google Docs or whatever, you can just copy all these stuff to your PDF file directly. And you can also insert your flashcards and quiz as well. If you want to put the data tables or infographic, you can also ask to create data table. So if you are a math teacher or science teacher, you want to show some statistics and data with your graphs or table, you can also ask to customize data table as well. So just try to create from your right corner, you can get a lot of function as you would like. So after getting successfully, you can just check all your details successfully and go back again to your Google Docs or whatever and trying to copy all these lesson outline. So by doing that, you can create a course with NotebookLM. So export everything in your preferred course platform and you will be able to use. So that's how to create a course with NotebookLM, girl. So I hope this will help you a lot if you're working on your course plan. Thank you so much and see you bye, girls.